And we'll kickstart this edition with some news just coming in at this point in time. Nagpur riot mastermind faces demolition. Civic officials said to raise the illegal house of Fahim Khan, who's been accused of sparking riots. Parts of Fahim's house have been declared illegal. Tight security for raising of riot-accused home. Demolition drive in spite of the Supreme Court's bulldozer action curbs.
महाराष्ट्र में हम लोग अपने तरीके से कार्रवाई करते हैं। जहां बुलडोजर चलाने की आवश्यकता होगी वहां चलेगा। जहां गलत काम होगा उसको रौंदा जाएगा, किसी को बख्शा नहीं जाएगा।
All right, now remember there was action that was promised by the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Devendra, Fadnavis, including bulldozer action. The Supreme Court of India has said that action against offenders or criminals as far as bulldozing their residential properties and their commercial properties is something that should not be allowed. However, this is being done in the state of Maharashtra, where Fahim Khan's home is getting bulldozed. Parts of it is illegal, says the government. Demolition drive in spite of the Supreme Court's bulldozer curbs. I'm going to go straight across to Omkar for more on that. Omkar, the Chief Minister had promised this a few days ago that there will be bulldozer action. Rioters will be made to pay, but the fact is that the Supreme Court of India has said that, you have to take action against criminals, but bulldozing isn't the way forward.
त्याने तुमच्या
This action comes days after Fahim Khan was named as the mastermind of the rioting that took place on the 17th of March in Nagpur. The plot of Fahim Khan's house is being bulldozed. Pictures on your screens at this point in time. Parts of Fahim Khan's house declared illegal. Tight security for raising of the riot-accused home. Demolition drive in spite of the Supreme Court's bulldozer curbs is what we know. Parts of Fahim Khan's house were declared illegal. Civic officials are all ready now, as you can see in these pictures, to raise the illegal house of Fahim Khan. Nagpur rioters mastermind. His house is getting razed at this point in time as we speak. This comes even as the Supreme Court of India had said that, very well, take action against criminals, but bulldozer action is something that can't be carried out as a way to punish them. The legal recourse is what should be looked at. However, bulldozer action is taking place right now at the residence of Fahim Khan. Bulldozers have rolled in. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis had in fact promised that this is something that's going to happen. Will roll bulldozer if needed, had said Devendra Fadnavis. Omkar, and this is what is being done at this point in time, in spite of the Supreme Court of India saying that bulldozer action isn't something that should be done.
Well, exactly. These are repercussions of a riot which happened just last week. And now Fahim Khan, he is the main accused in this whole violence, and also Nagpur police has booked him, and they are working on the FIR, and the way investigation is going further, it is clear now he was the main accused and the key accused in the whole Nagpur violence, and that is how the way Chief Minister has promised to the people that bulldozer action will be there, and that's how he is executing the whole action in the Nagpur. So in upcoming times, there will be more bulldozer action in Nagpur. An anti-encroachment drive will be intensified as per the word given by Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis.
Civic officials said to raise the illegal house of Fahim Khan, as you can see in these pictures. Plotter Fahim Khan's home being seen as the main conspirator. Omkar continues to be with us. Omkar, for our viewers, talk to us about the role of Fahim Khan, now called the mastermind of the rioting that took place on the 17th of March in Nagpur.
Look, Nagpur police and ACB both are investigating further, but the Fahim Khan was a key accused behind the whole violence. In CCTV footage also, police can see him, and the main thing is he was the one to he was the one behind all that violence happened in Nagpur, and that is why police have already intensified their action against him. Also, investigation is still underway, and they're trying to interrogate him. Some other 5 accused also there, so cross verification also going on. But the Fahim Khan, exactly, he was the person who was responsible for the whole riot which happened in the Nagpur.
All right, I'm going to thank you for the moment, Omkar Wable, getting us up to speed with those details at this point in time.